Are you dealing with the pink line issue on your Samsung phone screen? Wondering what to do about this screen discoloration? If so, this video guide will walk you through fixes to help restore your phone to normal functionality. Let's get started. But before we delve into the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest notifications. Method 1. Reboot your device. A simple yet effective trick is to reboot your device. Press and hold the power button until the restart option appears, then tap to reboot. Method 2. Update your phone software. Updating your phone's operating system can often resolve various issues, including the pink line problem. Check for any available updates and proceed with the installation. Method 3. Use safe mode. If you suspect that a recently installed app may be causing the issue, try entering safe mode to identify the culprit. Safe mode disables third-party apps, allowing you to pinpoint the problem. Method 4. Perform a factory reset. If other methods fail, you can perform a factory reset. Navigate to Settings, General Management, Reset Factory Data Reset, and confirm by tapping Delete All. Method 5. Replace the screen. If the problem persists after trying the above methods, it's advisable to visit the nearest service center for screen replacement. Your phone's LCD may need to be replaced to resolve the pink line issue.